As indicated by the most recent long-haul figure, a share cost will hit $7 toward the finish of 2023 and afterward $8 by the center of 2024. A share will ascend to $9 inside the extended period of 2026, $10 in 2027, $12 in 2028, and $15 in 2029. A share value expectation 2023 to 2024. A share cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, a share exchanged at $6, so the cost diminished by 0% from the very start of the year. The gauge share cost toward the finish of 2023 is $7.61 and the year-to-year change plus 27%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 27%. In the main portion of 2024, the share cost will move to $8.06. In the final part, the cost would lose $1 and close the year at $7.06, which is plus 18% to the ongoing cost. The conjecture for later, close to days and months. Tuesday, November 7, $6.02. Wednesday, November 8, $6.05. Thursday, November 9, $6.08. Friday, November 10, $6.11. Saturday, November 11, $6.14. Sunday, November 12, $6.17. Monday, November 13, $6.20. Tuesday, November 14, $6.23. November 15, $6.26. December 15, $7.14. January 15, $7.65. February 15, $7.72. March 15, $7.80. April 15, $7.87. A share expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. A share cost would move from $7.06 to $15.82, which is up 124%. A share will begin 2025 at $7.06, then, at that point, take off to $7.38 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $7.81. That implies plus 30% from today. A share expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the share cost would ascend from $15.82 to $18.42, which is plus 16%. A share will begin 2030 at $15.82, then, at that point, take off to $15.95 inside the principal half of the year and finish 2030 at $16.91. It is about plus 182% from today. A share value expectation 2023 to 2024. A share cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, a share exchanged at $4.28, so the cost diminished by 29% from the very outset of the year. The gauge share cost toward the finish of 2023 is $5.50 and the year-to-year change 8%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 28%. In the main portion of 2024, the share cost will move to $5.80. In the last part, the cost would add 36 cents and close the year at $6.16, which is plus 44% to the ongoing cost. A share expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. A share cost would move from $6.16 to $11.43, which is up 86%. A share will begin 2025 at $6.16, then take off to $6.43 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $7.59. That implies plus 77% from today. A share forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the share cost would ascend from $11.43 to $15.20, which is plus 33%. A share will begin 2030 at $11.43, then, at that point, take off to $12.16 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2030 at $12.89. It is about plus 201% from today. 10/1/2023. A share value expectation 2023 to 2024. A share cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, a share exchanged at $4.60, so the cost diminished by 23% from the very outset of the year. The determined share cost toward the finish of 2023 is $5.69 and the year-to-year change 5%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 24%. In the main portion of 2024, the share cost will move to $6. In the last part, the cost would add 37 cents and close the year at $6.37, which is plus 38% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $6.37 to $11.82, which is up 86%. Axie will begin 2025 at $6.37, then take off to $6.65 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $7.85. That implies plus 71% from today. Axie expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $11.82 to $15.74, which is plus 33%. Axie will begin 2030 at $11.82, then take off to $12.58 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2030 at $13.33. It is about plus 190% from today. 9/15/2023 Axie value forecast 2023 to 2024 Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $4.74, so the cost diminished by 21% from the start of the year. The estimated Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $6.17, and the year-to-year change plus 3%. The ascent from today to year-end? Plus 30%. In the primary portion of 2024, the Axie cost will drop to $5.40. In the last part, the cost would add 25 cents and close the year at $5.65, which is plus 19% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. Axie cost would move from $5.65 to $13, which is up 130%. Axie will begin 2025 at $5.65, then, at that point, take off to $5.98 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $7.06. That implies plus 49% from today. Axie forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $13 to $15.73, which is plus 21%. Axie will begin 2030 at $13, then take off to $13.84 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2030 at $14.59. It is about plus 208% from today. 9/1/2023 Axie value forecast 2023 to 2024 Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $4.66, so the cost diminished by 22% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $6.14, and the year-to-year change plus 2%. The ascent from today to year-end? Plus 32%. In the principal half of 2024, the Axie cost will drop to $5.38. In the last part, the cost would add 25 cents and close the year at $5.63,